Back here at Volleyball Central, the arena in San Juan, for the game between Ateneo and NU. Earlier on, UST losing the first set to the UP Lady Maroons and then winning the next three, but not after a big fight from the Lady Maroons in that match earlier today. Yesterday, Adamson again winning in yesterday's match. Also LaSalle in a tight one against FEU. Adamson won against UE yesterday, and LaSalle winning in 5 sets, 15-11 in that 5th set against a very young and determined Far Eastern University team. And this game will wrap up our weekend schedule here in women's volleyball. Sa Wednesday po ulit tayo maglalaro at iniimbitahan po namin kayong manood ng live kasi iba pa rin ang experience sa manood ng live. See these girls in action. Yung men's volleyball sa umaga naman pagka gusto nyo panoorin dito po sa arena in San Juan. This is the Batangas native Nakachi. Perez with the tip. Valdez through the block. Oh, she winded up her arm for that one.
Valdez, we haven't seen much from her in this game. But, when she's given a ball, chances are
mataas,
mataas. It's going to be a point.
I like, though, what Coach Roger is doing with her. Na parang weaned her. She's being weaned into the system and not yung, ikaw lagi, ikaw lahat. Dahil alam namin kung gaano ka galing.
And I guess also it's, if you look at the current lineup, lahat kasi very capable.
And veterano na. They're in the lead by 5.
Receive. Bakit aasahan mo ito? Ito na nga pumapalo, ito na yung nagdidig, nagse-service pa. Bakit aasahan mo ito? Samantalang ang trabaho mo lang, nandyan na sa loob, sa likod. Kasi ang problema kasi, hindi ka nakapokus dun sa server. Ang gagawin mo, titingnan mo yung kasama mo kung gagalaw o hindi para sa'yo. Ba't hindi na lang ikaw ang kumuha? May, sabihin mo. Dahil yun lang naman ang trabaho mo eh.
Lima lang.
Hindi pa tapos yan. 1915, ha? Smile. Enyo.
Yan yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, Ann. Ang trabaho minsan ng libero, mang-agaw ng bola.
Oo. Mahirap yun, ha? Kasi kung mga-agaw ka ng bola, it means wala ka sa pwesto. And you know that, the higher the chances of you getting a good pass, kung tama rin yung form mo.
Ayaw din kasi ni Coach Francis pagtrabahuin ng gusto ito si Kaine Pomuceno dahil siya na nga lang talaga ang gumagawa. Pablo. Bad set for her. She could not make something out of that.
Yung isa pang sinabi ni Coach Francis, smile.
At magta-timeout siya uli. Sabihin niya siya kung meron pa siyang timeout. Meron. Eto na. This is a last
para
chance.
maabot mo yon. Okay, anong gagawin mo? Huwag ka lang kasi dito nasa tagiliran. Kailangan lapitan mo yung bola para maabot mo yon. Naintindihan? Kasi pakikita mo na ang trajectory ng bola niya, no? Pag ganyan, no? Saan papunta? Papunta na sa net. So, dapat malapit ka na. Okay? Hindi lahat ng set eksakto para sa'yo. Kailangan mag-a-adjust ka din sa setter. Relax na receive, mag-receive ng maayos. Puro short kasi lahat kayo nakakalat eh. Lumapit kayo. Okay? Ayun. Kaya pa talaga.
Ganda ng punto na yan dahil kayong mga analyst, lagi nyo sinasabi, pag ikaw attacker ka or you're an open hitter or hindi lahat perfect set.
That's right. And you cannot choose eh.
Correct.
Lalo na kung outside hitter ka, chances are, kaya hindi binigay yan sa center attacker kasi medyo alanganin yung bola. So, you really can't choose the ball that is being given to you.
Dahil pag center, yun ang dapat talaga perfect.
Perfect. Dapat na maganda yung pwesto ng setter, maganda yung execution, maganda yung height and all that.
Valdez adjusting, giving them a 7-point lead, 4 points away from taking win number 3. And it's Ailis Nakachi now. Hervasio up to Valdez again. Pablo. Ferrer back set to Hervasio. Galang was there. Nepomuceno again from the back. Ferrer taking it. They set it up for Liza Valdez. And that escapes the arm of Kai Nepomuceno. Cross-court attack. The former UST standout.
I think for Ateneo, if they do close out the third set, this is a good comeback from the loss that they've had from LaSalle last Saturday.
Perez, easily taken by Kainglet. Quick to Gretchen Ho.
Oh, that's too close to the net.
Ayun na nga ang sinasabi ni Coach Francis kanina. 23-14. Elise has been serving a lot now straight for Ateneo. That one bounces out.
That error gives NU a small window.
Very small.
Very small window. To at least,
Make it a
actually,
little...
this has been done before, 23-15. May mga nakakahabol naman dyan, although it's not an easy task.
And the way they've been playing.
And the way Ateneo has been playing.
Yes. Zia Hervasio gives them match point. And it is the rookie, Liza Valdez, who will try to cap it off at 24, serving 15. Yun yung patay na bola, no? And the running serve. Hervasio, underhand, that's over serve.
Phil already knew it. She's tumatawa na siya.
Sumigaw nga eh. Napasigaw eh.
Napasigaw at natawa. She knew it was going to be impossible.
You know, that's why sometimes people think she's not taking a game seriously because she always has that demeanor.
But, ganun lang
She's
pala.
very competitive, there's no question. She's just like that.
Oh, gusto lang talaga niya mag-smile
Yeah,
or
yeah. Always. Ferrer goes back to Phil. Great coverage again from Lazaro. The fake by Ferrer on the second touch. Buhay pang NU dito. Perez. Lazaro again takes it. Quick to Gretchen Ho, and that will do it for Ateneo. Snapping. There's, well, not really a skid, but snapping out of that loss against the defending champions to get them within the team standing. Pareho na sila na Adamson, ano?
And of course, for Ateneo at this point, what they want is to get, wins in their succeeding games. What they want is to go off the rank.
Yes.
And yun ang importante ngayon.
For the teams like Ateneo, they have to win yung games that they should win to prepare them for the tougher ones against, well, let's just say, again, the second round matchup against LaSalle and probably UST.
And, I would think if I were Coach Roger, I would be happy because itong laro na pinakita nila ngayon is just showing everyone how confident they are, how they came back from that loss from LaSalle, and maganda yung ginalaw nila today.